لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. Verily, there is a great example for you in the Prophet. قل هذه سبيلي أدعو إلى الله على بصيرة أنا ومن اتبعني. He says, say, O Prophet, this is my road, my only road, not another one, where I and the ones that follow me invite people to Allah with basira. And how can we claim him as our ultimate example if his life story just remains a distant memory to us? فَمَنْ رَغِبَ عَنْ سُنَّتِي فَلَيْسَ مِنِّي. Whoever turns away from my sunnah, he is not from me, so he is not from my ummah. This means that the one that doesn't take the Prophet as an example, he will be considered as someone that has left the ummah. In this lesson, we look past the dates and battles to truly discover his personality so we can walk, talk, and live by his timeless standard.